Hi guys, let's talk about endocrine system. Actually, there are two types of glands. We have exocrine glands. So these are glands that secrete their enzymes, that secrete their contents into ducts. So we call them duct gland. And this includes salivary gland. But when we talk about an endocrine gland or endocrine glands, so these are glands that secrete their own content directly into the bloodstream. So we call them ductless glands because they secrete their own enzymes into the bloodstream directly. So, and this includes pituitary glands, thyroid glands at the neck regions, parathyroid glands at the neck regions. We have adrenal glands above the kidney and endocrine pancreas as well. Alright, now let's talk about some hormones of the endocrine gland. Endocrine glands secrete hormones called classical hormones. So all these classical hormones, they are chemicals that are produced from the endocrine glands and are transported through the bloodstream to the target organs. So on the target organs, a receptor on the target organs which bind to these hormones, and these will cause cascade of events on the target cells. So this is how hormone works in our body. Alright, now let's talk about the examples of hormones from each of these endocrine glands we have in our body. Okay, let's start with the pituitary gland. The pituitary gland secretes 6 major hormones. So we have 6 hormones from the anterior pituitary glands and 2 hormones from the posterior pituitary glands. So anterior pituitary glands secretes adrenocorticotropic hormones, prolactin, follicle stimulating hormone, luteinizing hormone, growth hormones, and thyroid stimulating hormone. In the posterior pituitary glands, we have 2 major hormones, the oxytocin and antidiuretic hormone. So the thyroid gland now at the neck region secretes hormone called tyrosine, calcitonin, and triiodothyronine. Parathyroid, these are 4 small glands that are found on the surface of the thyroid glands, and they actually secrete hormones called parathormone. Together with the hormones from the thyroid glands called calcitonin, they work together to balance the body calcium and phosphorus level in the blood. Now we have the gland called suprarenal glands. So this gland are of 2 types. We have the adrenal cortex and the adrenal medulla. So adrenal cortex secretes hormone called corticoids. So we have one called mineralocorticoids and the glucocorticoid. The adrenal medulla, which secretes emergency hormones like epinephrine and norepinephrine. Now, the endocrine pancreas. The endocrine pancreas secretes hormones called insulin and glucagon. So insulin is produced from the endocrine pancreas and to the bloodstreams, which convert excess sugar, the glucose, to the glycogen and store them in the liver. And the glucagon converts the stored glycogen in the case whereby the body needs more glucose. So convert the stored glycogen back to the glucose. So that's the function of the glucagon.